Hello guys, we love Karachi. We love Karachi. I am right opposite the Benazir Bhutto Park at Boat Basin. You can see pictures of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and everything over here. So now I'm going to take you around one of the prime areas, main Clifton Boat Basin Road, and this is the situation of our roads even before the rains and even after the rains. So guys, get ready. uh, by this you will come to know what sort of a life the people of Karachi are living right now. uh, so many manholes were opened before the rains, and all the garbage and the sewage dump was taken out and left on the roads. Nobody picked it up for uh, few days till it rained, and even today after the rains are over, you can see that all the sewage is out still on the roads. It has made the roads more dirty. There are so many potholes, and how much inconvenience all these drivers have to face because they have to maneuver the cars uh, from here to there just to escape from the potholes. Otherwise either their car will go inside the pothole or it will be severely damaged. So guys, you can see that I'm just walking for about maybe 100 to 150 meters, and the entire road, I mean, it is in a devastating condition. It's become impossible for people of Karachi to drive on the roads. And this is not just one road. I can show you hundreds of roads which are lying damaged, where people cannot drive properly. I mean, just imagine this is a crossing from the service lane to the main road, and how people have to, escape all the holes and potholes and garbage and water clogged just to come inside. And this is the garbage in the middle of the road. Maybe the manhole was opened and cleaned, but they didn't care to take that garbage away and dispose it. It is stinking. And here the People's Party is celebrating the Independence Day of Pakistan. Wow. Happy Independence Day to the people of Karachi and Pakistan. Welcome to no man's land. Welcome to the city of garbage. Welcome to the city of open manhole covers. And how much they are taxing us? Exorbitant taxes. Even after paying income tax, there are so many indirect taxes. And just look at the situation. I mean, why are we paying taxes to them? You must have seen the state of Karachi after the rains, after the Liari and the Malir rivers overflooded, and so many people have become homeless. Yeah, but there is not a problem for all these SUVs which are in thousands on the streets of Karachi. The elite really don't have any problems. But what about the common man? The common man who are driving bikes, trying to escape the potholes. Just see the condition. Does any civilized society have these kind of roads? I am sure that even Syria has got better roads. This was there before the rains, and this is there after the rains. And this is one of the very prime locations of Clifton. I'm walking towards the My Karachi bypass, and just see the state of the roads. Please comment. Please comment what you got to say about the Sindh government, their efficiencies. Just imagine, is this any civilized society? I mean, I can go on and on. I can walk for kilometers at a stretch. Just look at that in the middle of the road. Guys, please share this video wherever you can so that it becomes an eye opener for the government, for the people of Sindh, for the people of Karachi, whom should vote in the next elections. And do you want these people again for the next 5 years? Life in Karachi has become impossible. Impossible. The two things which I always stress that the people of Karachi deserve is, one is the most important, is water. Water should be provided in the pipelines to the people of Karachi, and they don't have to pay to the tanker mafias. Every household in Karachi has to shed at least 10,000 rupees per month to the water mafia. The water is there, but it is not provided in the lines, the government water lines, but it is provided by the tanker mafia. Somebody is making billions and billions of rupees every single day. The population of Karachi is about 2.5 crore, and just imagine if a family has to spend 10,000 bucks per month on water. And the second most important thing which the people of Karachi deserve is a sewerage system. It deserves good roads. It is impossible to drive on these roads. Impossible. I will let to give you my personal experience. I have stopped driving the car. I have stopped using the car. I only drive the car when I have to go out with my wife because I can't stand this. I don't have the patience to stop at every 100, 10, 15, 20 feet just to get by. Even the entire DHA, it is totally dug up. I use my motorcycle to commute for my daily work, where I can easily escape these holes, broken roads, drainage, manhole covers, and go out by my life. This way, I save a lot of expenses on fuel, but at the same time, I won't be surprised if I start having back pains because however I might try, however I can't escape these holes, especially when there are no lights at night. There are no street lights. You cannot escape the holes. You don't know when the next hole is going to come up, and you get such a jerk in your back. So, guys, thanks to the People's Party for celebrating the Independence Day of Pakistan, 14th August. There is no dearth of banners and self praise in this city, which was considered to be the city of lights, which was one of the most clean cities, with the roads being washed every day. And in the term of the People's Party, who has been ruling the Sindh for decades, what have they done to Karachi? Karachi, instead of being named the city of lights, it should be named as the city of disaster. And many people who have got the knowledge about this water management and development of cities, they are claiming that in the next decade, quite a big chunk of Pakistan, Karachi, will be underwater. Especially the DHA phase 8, it will sink. It will become Venice. And this what I am telling you, it's based on facts. So, guys, signing off for now. Thank you for watching, and please share it if you like it. Thank you so much.